It started about my freshman year of high school. I was a part of the dance team and I did cross country. I was pretty into the athletics portion of that. And I started having a lot of hip pain. So I went to go see a sports medicine doctor and he had told me that I had swollen growth plates, but it just didn't quite make sense of why I was in so much pain. And it took about 9 months before it got to the point where I couldn't walk anymore. It was beyond excruciating. And we got a second opinion. That was the day that I met Dr. Mansour here in the office.
Daniela always had a smile. She was always eager to hear what I thought. How do the x-rays look? Am I doing well? What can I do better? Water out, it fills in all the bone.
He knew what he was doing. I felt very confident in him that he could take me to feel better. And that's what I needed. I needed to feel better. I needed to have my regular life back. I needed to be able to walk down a hallway, to go out with my friends, to be able to sit through a test and not cry because it was hurting so much because I needed to get up.
When you hear that story in someone who is, dancing, that has good motion on an exam, you start to think, okay, this might be hip dysplasia. So there's 4 cuts. Dysplasia just means abnormal development. And so that means the hip socket is shallow compared to what a normal development would look like.
It hurts every single day. It hurts so much. What now? And he said, you're a great candidate for the surgery, so you're just gonna go ahead and get the PAO. I'm very confident that it'll work for you.
And so we used a titanium type of implant. Once the bone heals in its new position, it's sturdy and strong and doesn't need the metal.
He just went above and beyond any doctor that I had met, and that's what I really appreciated the most, was the time that he took to make me feel comfortable and to make me be able to understand.
I steal joy from my patients. I love them. They inspire me. It's why I love what I do.
I am now a normal teenage girl. I go out with my friends, I can go on a run, I can work out, and I love it. I couldn't have done any of that a year or 2 years ago. I spent about 3 years of my life where I couldn't do very much, and now I finally can. I went to Italy and I walked thousands of steps a day, and I wouldn't have been able to do that before. I love it. I feel great.